Umutekanga nagira ngo baturire no bashwijwe nkarra z'abashomesa kandi ngo bonka bahandicirwe kandi abarukorro mashomera garakumanywa nubo barikuza kutunga sentezi. Umutekanga ibyabwambero bwabire nacingaho umushomo gw'abashomesa ba secondary ogubire no gukwata hakaricira mu ensi ogubire guriya hishomero rya Duhaga omurembo rwa Hoima.
If you have the four, you are a teacher in a school in a given area, you are registered with the ministry, your school is registered, you have a NIN number, and also you yourself you are registered with it. So then you qualify to get the money.
Garishire yahereza abashomesa amagezgo kuhindura enteekateeka yabo ngo batandike gukora emirimo endiijo erikuza kureeta entaasyo mu maka gaabo oyihireho omushahara ogu barikutunga buri kwezi.
After teaching, you can have something that you can do for a living. Waiting for a salary alone is not enough. So teachers should appreciate the fact that we shall never have enough money. But the issue now is how do you use the little money that you get to supplement and improve, not only by yourself but also your family.
Babashomesa barikushomesa omu mashomero ga Gavumenti hamwe n'agago buntu basimire ekitongore kya National Curriculum Development Center NCDC hamwe na Ministry w'okutebeekanisa omushomo ogu babasiise kumanya nk'oku curriculum ehindukiremu.
Actually, we had not been having enough knowledge on assessment, but because of this workshop, we have really learnt a lot, especially on how to assess our learners. I would really say that if it wasn't for this workshop, we wouldn't have actually realized even how to assess the children, especially on projects. We knew that projects were there, but we did not know how to give them the project and how to come up with them, then even how to assess the project.
Ugandans, we should embrace this curriculum. It has worked somewhere else. When you look at Kenya, they are using almost the same curriculum. Look at the industries that are in Kenya vis-a-vis the industries that are in Uganda. You find a group of young children, they are selling craft. That is the new curriculum. Let us use this new curriculum to develop skills and talents in the learners.
Omushomo ogu gubire gugenderire kubangura abashomesa hakaricura mu ensya kandi abashomesa bakurenga 500 okurwa mu districts za Kibale, Kakumiro hamwe na Kagadi nubo batunjira obukugu. Gashaka Thomas tumwebaze.